or focused on that single prey only. But when they follows that spiral uh, position updating mechanism or bubble net mechanism, they are chasing a lots of prey at a one time. So if they misses one prey, they can catch it from the other. In case of optimization problems, if you only have local search, then your solution may be restricted within a specific domain among the feasible domain from where you are allowed to pick your solutions. But if you are with global search, you will get greater variation of optimal solutions. Okay. Now, what is this exploitation phase or encircling prey position updating method in case of well optimization technique? I have already discussed about the flow of the well optimization technique. Now I will discuss about this encircling prey method. In this case, D is equals to C dot X star T minus XT. Now you will say, what is X star T? X star T is that value of X for which the most optimal solution has been found. In our case, we are dealing with the maximization problem. So until that iteration, the value of X that has generated the maximum value of Y will be taken as the optimal solution or best position, or often it is said as position of the best well. Best well means the well which has the highest chance of catching the prey. So you forget about well if you concentrate on the mathematical concerns. Then this X star T is the X for which the best Y has been generated. And this X is the current solution that you have generated in the present iteration. Clear? And this C is actually a coefficient vector that I will discuss in the later on slide. So, and this D is actually referred to as the dist